So we have a trinomial, 1, 2, 3, that tells me I have essentially an A, B, and C value. And to test if I can use the X box method of factoring, class, what is half of 4? 2. So now I'm going to take A times C. My answer is 100. My B value? Now, some of you may have gotten stuck, so this is a good opportunity to write out your factors of 100. 100 times 1. 2 times what? 4 times? And 10 times 10. Partner A, whisper to partner B, which one? Class, which one?
25.
And they're both going to be negative. Raise your hand if you got that so far. Okay. Now I'm going to use these red ones. Let's highlight it. We're basically splitting the middle term here, and that goes here. So class, what am I going to write in here? Negative 25 x squared. And this one's going to be what? Negative 4x squared. Because those two add, negative 25 minus 4 gives you negative 29x squared. Class, what goes here in yellow? X to the 4th. And what goes in the last one? 100. What goes on the top right here? X squared. Good. Greatest common factor this way? X squared. How about this direction? Positive or negative 25? Negative, right? Because we'll multiply to check our answer. And over here, negative 4. X times x. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x. X squared times negative 25 is negative 25x squared. And negative 4 times negative 25 is positive 100. When I factor x to the 4th minus 29x squared plus 100, I get x squared minus 4 and x squared minus 25. Class, why did I leave that big space there? It's the b value. What is the b value? 0x. And I did that so you can see that this will factor again, and these two will factor again. Let's do it over here. Class, A times C? Negative 4. B value? 0. Two numbers? 2 and negative 2. So that means I have x minus 2 and x plus 2. Thank you. So 2 and then negative 2. And then what do you think this one's going to be? Yeah. Positive 5 and a negative 5. You'll notice these are called linear factors. X is to the first power there. If you multiply your x's together, you'll get x to the 4th. In this problem, I had to factor a higher degree polynomial using the x box method. And then these things are called the difference of squares. If you don't recognize it, it's fine. Just make sure to put a 0x in there. That way you have an A, B, and C. And then you can use your x method of factoring again. So let's highlight this last one as our answer.